Stick around.
Hey guys, so it's spring break. I've been loving not going to school. I woke up like an hour ago, but then I was lazy and sat on my phone in my bed for a while. But I'm about to make breakfast. I'm gonna make some oatmeal and then we'll start my day. First ingredient I'm putting in is just these oats, and I just put about that much in. Next, I usually put in peanut butter, but we tried getting this almond butter because it's supposed to be healthier for you. So I'm going to try replacing it with this. I'm not sure how I feel about almond butter yet, but we will see. I usually just put like a spoonful of peanut butter, so like this much. Okay. So there's the peanut butter. The last thing I'm putting in before I warm it up is just a tiny bit of cinnamon. Just like that much. When it comes out of the microwave, the last thing I add in is just some more almond butter and then some of this almond milk. Alright, hi guys, so I had my coffee and then got ready for the day. Shocker. Me and Austin are gonna have a Pitch Perfect movie marathon, but before we do that, I'm gonna run to this place called Zag because I need to get a new glass screen protector on my phone. Okay, we just got back from Zag and now my brother Austin is making me a gourmet sandwich for lunch. Alright, so me and Austin ate those really yummy sandwiches while we were watching Pitch Perfect, and it was just so good. Then I came upstairs and I did some chemistry because I just love chemistry. And now I'm about to go to work. Yay! Hi, I've been having a pretty chill morning. It's been so nice not going to school. Later, in like 2 or 3 hours, I'm gonna go to work. And then when I'm done with work, Kaylee's gonna come over and we're gonna have a slumber party. I'm so excited. So I wanted to show you guys these seeds. They're sunflower seeds, but they're already peeled, and they're really good. Food from the earth. I feel so healthy right now. First step, put lettuce in bowl. Look at this leaf I found. It's like really big. Kind of creeped out. I'm gonna eat it though because it looks really cool. One of these baby cucumbers from Costco, and then make sure your counter is clean if you're gonna cut them on your counter. Then put them in your bowl. Actually, you should probably make sure your counter is clean before you cut it up on your counter. Okay, the next thing I did was just added a little shreds of meat. The next thing I'm adding is some of these little olives. Now is when we get to eat bird food. Yay. Just put them in. Okay, here's something that I like to put in a lot of my food. They're called chia seeds. It's really good for you. Okay, these are the last two things I'm gonna add. It's just Parmesan cheese, which I already put in there. And then this is my favorite salad dressing. It's the raspberry vinaigrette. I'm also eating my salad with one of these King's Hawaiian rolls. These. Because I just love carbs. Ice cream time! This is my favorite. I love So Delicious so much because they make dairy-free ice cream. And it is so good. This is a cookie dough flavor. And it's just, touches my heart. This is just how I live my life. I ate a fairly healthy salad for lunch and I was feeling pretty healthy. And then I had a really good roll that had a bunch of sugar in it and carbs. And then I was having caramel, and now I'm gonna eat some ice cream. And yet I still feel healthy because I had a little bit of salad. I also know how to speak English really well. I just got done at work. It was such a crazy day at work. There was like people asking for smoothies that weren't on the menu. And then I spilled stuff everywhere. And I had to go to the store to get this ingredient that we needed, but I couldn't find it. But everything worked out because I found it and I cleaned up my mess and everything worked out. So it was all good. Now I'm gonna drive home and me and Kaylee are gonna have a slumber party! Good morning, guys. Me and Kaylee had a crazy night last night, but it was super fun. And now it's like 10 o'clock, I think. And we just woke up and we're making some coffee and we're having cereal for breakfast. Currently getting ready. Okay, here's our outfits of the day. We're both wearing boyfriend jeans. Kaylee's are homemade because she cut them herself. And then we're wearing Birks, but mine are fake. It's fine. And then I have this like sparkly sheer shirt on. And then Kaylee is wearing this sunglasses, little belly shirt that I also cut myself. Yes, I'm very proud of her. Hi, goodness. Say hi to the camera. Ciao, ciao.
Hey! My name is Kaylee. Sometimes I wear glasses. Sometimes I don't. I am not normal. I have yellow nails, and the lady who did them didn't like the color, but she was like, "Oh, it's pretty." I was like, "Thanks." Not that dramatic, but
This person's going the speed limit. They need to speed up.
who goes the speed limit nowadays?
Well, since you brought me down, I don't know the word. She looks perfect tonight.
The boy who likes Shan.
Which one?
Okay, this has to be the end of the vlog for now, so bye, we love you.
We just got done watching Pitch Perfect 3 and it was so good. Yeah. Hey guys, a few of you were asking me about my hair the other day, so I thought that I would include some hair care tips in this vlog. First thing I want to say is when you're showering, leave conditioner in your hair for like 3 minutes after you put it in and then rinse it out. Another shower tip is when you rinse out your hair, rinse it in cold water. So like when you're washing it, it's okay to use hot water, but then after you're rinsing everything off, just rinse it in cold water. And that helps keep like your frizz down and stuff. When you get out of the shower, like I think it's good to let your hair air dry. Another thing that goes with the shower stuff is don't shampoo your hair every day, especially if it's curly, because it takes like the oils out of your hair, which is good to clean it, but if you do that every day, it makes it like more frizz. Hydration, that's really good for your hair. Everyone says hydration, but I always notice a difference. Like when I'm not hydrated, I feel like my hair is more frizzy. And then when I start drinking more water, I feel like it can grow better and I feel like it's less frizzy too. So make sure you stay hydrated. Next thing I want to talk about is this stuff. It's basically like a face mask but for your hair, so it's called a hair mask. Everyone probably knew that. Wow. I really like this brand. It's the OGX brand and this flavor is really good too. I feel like it just helps with dead ends and frizz and all that. Okay, the next thing is scrunchies. Scrunchies are so much better for your hair than regular hair ties. So as much as you can, if you're going to put your hair up or anything, you should try to use scrunchies. Another thing that goes along with that is don't sleep with your hair in a bun or with your hair in a ponytail because it gives you dead ends. It gives me dead ends anyways. But yeah, use scrunchies. How I do my hair is first I spray it with cold water. Sometimes in my cold water I'll mix in a little bit of conditioner with it because I have curly hair and that's really good for curly hair. So if you have curly hair, this tip, spray it with cold water mixed with conditioner. It's just really good. Another thing that I spray it with is leave-in conditioner, and I like this brand. It smells really good and apparently it helps your hair grow, but I don't really know. I just think it smells good. For the creams, I switch off, or I kind of like mix 4 different products. So the first one is this L'Oreal cream, and these are all for curly hair or like beach wavy hair. So the next one is Catwalk cream. That one's like a little bit more expensive, but it works really nice. So it's good. And the next cream I have is this Kendra brand of cream. And for all the creams, I just use 2 pumps for my hair, and it's like medium length. So you can kind of like differ, but it kind of just depends on like how thick your hair is and stuff, so you can play around with it. And then the last thing that I want to share with you guys is this. It's not a cream, it's a spray, but it also smells really good. And you can either put it in dry hair or wet hair. It's good for your frizz and for like sculpting your curls or your waves. So sometimes I'll mix this with some of my creams, and it ends up working out pretty good, I think. So I recommend not using heat products every day. When I was in like 6th grade-ish, I used to straighten my hair or curl it like every single day, and I would get so many dead ends. I think it was like 8th grade-ish that I stopped doing that, and I started wearing my hair natural more often. And now I wear my hair natural like almost every day, and I only use heat products like 3 times a year. And I just noticed that my hair is a lot healthier. Like, it grows better, and I feel like there's less dead ends. I recommend just not using heat products all the time, even though it's fun. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace out. We just had a really healthy dinner, so me and Kaylee, we feel like we need to go get dessert now. So we're gonna drive to Burger King and go get some dessert. I got my gluten and Kaylee got her dairy. Kaylee's leaving me. Good morning, guys, and happy Thursday. Oats, check. Almond butter, check. Cinnamon, check. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna sit here and eat breakfast. I'll probably read a little bit of the Bible or something while I'm eating. And then I'll go upstairs and get ready and start doing stuff. It's 10:55, so it's almost 11, and I've just been editing one of my vlogs, and I'm drinking my fruit water. And it's been a pretty chill morning, but I feel like I'm getting a lot done, so that's good. Here's my outfit of the day. I have this little strapless shirt on that has like little pinstripes in it. I have my cross necklace, and then I have this jacket for just in case it gets cold because it's not too warm. For my hair, I'm just leaving it up in this bun. And then for pants, I'm wearing these dark purple pants, and I haven't decided what shoes I'm going to wear yet. We're having for lunch. It was gourmet made by Austin. Austin's trying to sign his name on the internet, and it's not working. Hey guys, so I just painted my nails, and they turned out kind of weird, but it's fine. And now I'm going to head to work. I just got off work. And now me and Jana are gonna have a photo shoot behind my work because, like, why not? I mean, look how pretty it is.
Hey! Hello!
I was not planning on hanging out with friends today, but then they were like, hey! And so I was like, oh, come over. We just wanted to tell you guys goodnight. Kaylee decided to sleep over again. We went and showed up at some friends' houses, and they really
Appreciated it.
yeah. Now it's like midnight, and we're going to get ready for bed and go to bed.
Yay!
We were also thinking about Christmas.
And summer.
Yeah, those are the highlights of the year. So if you're ever sad, just think about Christmas and summer. We have to be quiet because it's really the middle of the night and people are trying to sleep. Dance party! Party with the dog. Dance party with the dog. Where did all my dance moves go? Good morning! Happy Friday! Yeah! Brace yourself. Oh man!
A lot of the sugar cereals
Man, look at these beautiful spring flowers. Good. Shampoo? If you ate more Nutella, it would probably be good for your hair.